ladies and gentlemen, first of all, on behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to welcome everyone at the fourth meeting of Nobel laureates and talented students program, organized by jointly the Foundation of the for the Future of Biomedical Sciences in Szeged, the Biological Research Center in Szeged, and also the Faculty of Medicine at the University of Szeged. My name is Peter Hegyi. I am a professor at the university and also secretary of the foundation. So I would like to first welcome, very warm welcome to our guests, Eva Maria Neher and Erwin Neher from Göttingen. Thank you very much for coming to Szeged, and thank you for being here. I also would like to very welcome Ferenc Bari, who is the Dean of the Faculty of Medicine. And also András Varró, who is the chairman of the foundation. Of course, we have another supporters and the centers involving this program. So I would like to very welcome Zsolt Benkő from City of Hódmezővásárhely, who is the member of the council. I would like to very welcome Tamás Pázmány, who is the Director of Innovation at Ritter Gedeon Foundation. And also I would like to welcome Béla Gál, who is the Director of the Radnóti Miklós Secondary School, where during the program you will be a chance and opportunity to do science during your stay in Szeged. So first I would like to ask Erwin Neher to welcome all of you here.
Well, it's my pleasure to be here, to see so many future young scientists, and to be able, that I will be able to talk to you. I wish we had an organization like this foundation in my hometown, Germany, so that we could collect the best German students, introduce them to science, and entice them to take up their study in Göttingen. But today, I'm glad to be here, and that I will have a chance to talk to you a little bit about my subject, my research, what made me become a scientist, and well, how the discoveries that we made gained importance in biomedicine. So I hope I will be able to convey to you a little bit of the spirit of being a scientist.
Thank you very much for your kind words, and I also would like to ask Eva Neher to give a couple of words. It's important to know that Eva Neher is here because he's in Göttingen leading the science research center called X-Lab, which is dedicated for science for secondary school students, and we very much hope that we can learn a lot from Eva how to organize this in Hungary.
Thank you, Peter, for this nice introduction. I'm really very glad that I could come to Szeged for the second time. First, I was here in, maybe it was 2002 or 2003. There was a teacher training course at the Embel here in Szeged, and I was actually staying in this hotel. So I have a nice memory. And maybe the idea of having international programs at the X-Lab in Göttingen, which was in its third year, was born here in Szeged. And since then, we welcome students from Szeged, from all over Hungary, year after year. And meanwhile, 16 students from Hungary are members of our alumni association. Most of them are already pursuing a really very successful scientific career, and maybe some of them are back to Szeged. I know that some of them are back to Szeged, and I hope that I will meet some of them here on this occasion. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you very much. And And as you know, our program is not only dedicated for you when you are at secondary school, but if you decide to come to Szeged, continue your studying to the Faculty of Medicine at the University of Szeged, we can offer you a very special program which is available only in Szeged in Hungary, and I would say in not many countries also in Europe, which means that when you come in the first year, you immediately get the opportunity to go to a very special high-quality lab, and you immediately get international mentors, and you can have a very special scientific training. During the conference, you will hear the students who are already admitted the school last year or a year before. So if you come to the Faculty of Medicine, this will be the opportunity. So I would like to ask the Dean of the Faculty of Medicine, Ferenc Bari, to give a couple of words to you.
So first of all, I warmly welcome all of you in this prestigious event. First of all, I like to thank Professor Sneer for coming, because their visit is a nice continuing of our procedure started a couple of years ago. When you are thinking about how we can deal with the history, we can analyze the history and see the ways of the success. One way of the success at the university, bringing together talented teachers and talented students, because I guess the strength of a university is shared between the good teachers and good students. We believe that bringing prestigious scientists from abroad and from Hungary together and having an occasion to learn from each other is a momentum for everyone who would like to come to our university, to our faculty. The medical sciences are influencing the entire world deeply. I guess who is thinking of becoming physician or scientist related to health sciences is on a good way. The challenge of the human health is ongoing. Everyone would be target of it, and one who would like to be doctor or scientist is in a good place. I guess you read a lot about the rankings of the Hungarian universities, ranking of the university faculties. I'm very proud that Szeged University is highly ranked internationally and nationally as well. And if you look carefully, the rankings, our Faculty of Medicine is also always in the best 4, 5 in the country. So this is a prestige, but this is also a burden on the faculty, because keeping the niveau of teaching and learning and science is very, very demanding from all of us. So therefore, it is a great opportunity for us, greeting you, mentors and students, because we hope that you are not only thinking, but you are also deciding to come to our city, which not only provides excellent teaching opportunities, but nice cultural life, and not last but least, that it is a safe and lovely city. So welcome to Szeged, and please keep in your mind that it could be your city for your future. Thanks.
Thank you very much indeed. And finally, I would like to ask András Varró, who is the chairman of the key organizing committee, the Foundation for the Future of Biomedical Sciences in Szeged, to welcome you to this event.
Of course, I would also like to thank our distinguished guest, Professor Neher and Eva-Marie Neher, coming here, devoting their time to visit a remote, smaller city, Szeged. And also I would like to thank the teachers and the students coming here, and therefore we can continue our effort to somehow promote to motivate the students to choose first of all the science as profession, and if it's possible then choose our university, the place where they can learn later on the scientific way of thinking. And this occasion is very special. That's, as Peter mentioned, that's the fourth time. All the previous time there we had very distinguished guests, and this year is very special because we have here of course Professor Neher, but also Eva-Marie Neher. She is very successful and very well known all around the world and in Europe to run this program, which we would like to somehow follow and learn a lot of things from her. So we are, I think, all very enthusiastic that we can be together, and I hope that all of us, including the distinguished guests and all of you, you will enjoy the next 2 days in Szeged, and you will have a very good time here. Thank you.